Okay, the next topic is about text field, which is one of many material design components. So a text field is actually a material design addition for the EditText, which provides us with richer visual settings. We have two types of text field. The one is field, like this, and the second one is outline. We have a border around the text field. So this is the anatomy of a text field. The first one is the container itself, and optionally you may have a leading icon, and then we have a label, the input text itself, and optionally we can also have a trailing icon. The 6 is also optional, the helper or error or the counter text if necessary. Now let's try to incorporate text fields into our profile then. Into your fragment, where is it? Fragment profile. Let's add 4 text input layouts. The widget name is text input layout, not text field. It is still in the group of text. So if you scroll down to the text palette, you will find the text input layout. Just drag and drop 4 times. Let's do the first one first. Over here. Now, if you see, text input layout actually consists of two objects. The parent is text input layout, and the second one is text input edit text. Please be careful with text input layout, because sometimes if you click and drag, you may accidentally drag the text input edit text instead. Like I did. So please be careful when actually moving a text input layout. Okay, now I will constrain it first. Give it a margin of 24. This one over here. And I cannot see my right constraint, so I will change the layout width to wrap content first. Then I will connect the right constraint to this, so that I have the same length, the same width, and then I can change it back to match constraint. Do this 3 more times. This one, and somehow it moves upwards, then go backwards. Sometimes you may see an unexpected behavior of the Android Studio, but I guess it's the beauty of working with Android Studio. Okay, and match constraint. Oh, the constraint is not connected yet. Okay, the third one. Connect it over here. Then over here, change it to wrap content first. Connect the constraint. I forgot to give a 24 margin, 24 dp. Then change this to match constraint, and let's do this one more time. For here, okay. For here, change to wrap content first. Connect. I will give a margin 24. And lastly, change to match constraint. Okay, we're done. Now we have 4 text input layouts. Now change their style to this style, outline box. Let's select all 4 text input layouts. Just hold Control and select the parent. Don't select the child. make sure you selected the parent. Then let's search the style attribute. Style. Where are you? Style. Is it style? Yeah, style. Oh, sorry. It should be style. Let's just search it then. Style. Yeah, it's over here. Let's type outline box. Then just select this one. Yeah. Add style / widget material components text input layout outline box. And you will see that now our text input layouts are changed into an outlined text boxes. Okay, now to activate hint text and animation, yeah, click the parent of the text input layout, then change the hint to email or something, yeah, then tick these two attributes. Yeah, I will do for all of them first, then we'll just change the hint individually. Yeah, move to the hint, just tick first hint enabled and hint animation enabled. Yeah, and then let's see. Let's do the next step first. Yeah, select the child, then select the children, and delete the hint attribute. Yeah, not delete the hint attribute, but the hint value for the hint attribute. Yeah, just remove it. So now there are no hints over here. And let's put the hints into our individual text input layouts. Yeah, let's say the first one is email, then full name, password, and repeat password. Yeah. First one is email. The second one is full name. The third is password. And the last one is repeat password. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's try to run our application. Yeah, and let's take a look at the difference between text input layout and EditText. Okay, I'll go to the profile, and if I click on email, yeah, you can see the animation like this. Yeah, so it's very easy to create this kind of text box, yeah, with the animation of the hint. Yeah, actually, it's very easy to do so in Android Studio. Yeah, and if you want later, because we cannot see anything over here. Yeah, if you want, you can wrap everything within a scroll view. Yeah. I will do so now. So over here, I will add a scroll view, which has already a linear layout. I will change the linear layout to constraint layout. Yeah, and then I will move everything, or maybe I will just move this constraint layout into this scroll view. Yeah, but I will let's see if we can level this constraint layout with the parent. What if I delete this? Oh, it's not what we want. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will leave them like this. Oh, I undo it too much. Oh well. I will reconvert this linear layout into a constraint layout, or actually, let's just delete them. Then we'll make this constraint layout into a child of the scroll view. Yeah, maybe you ask why I do this, because I don't want to screw my constraints for these items. Yeah, if I copy it or if I cut and paste these UI elements into the deleted constraint layout, yeah, I suspect that all of my constraints will be screwed out. Yeah, that's why I do this. Yeah, as you can see, my constraints are still intact. Okay, hopefully now they are scrollable. If I, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's uh, better than the previous one. Yeah, previously if I click on repeat password, I cannot see anything over here. Yeah, but as you can see, the password is visible. Yeah, it's not really a password. Input text then if the password is visible. Now, but before we change the type of the password text field, yeah, let's add a trailing icon. In the full name text input, full name, this one, yeah. Select the full name text input, then let's change the N icon mode. N icon mode, where are you? It's not over here, so let's just search it, yeah. And this one, N icon mode, let's change it to custom. Then provide a drawable, which we already have, yeah, person. Yeah, now you can see the person icon is displayed at the end of this full name input field. Now the N icon mode has some useful modes. Yeah, we have a password toggle to show and hide password, or clear text in the text field, and we can also change the behavior like a combo box here, but not like spinner. This is the example of drop down. Yeah, now if you want, you can add some trailing icons. For the password input field, let's change the N icon mode to password toggle. This one is also password toggle. Yeah, for email, I will leave it as it is because I don't have the drawable. Or maybe while waiting, we can add a vector asset. Yeah? It should be a mail, email or mail. Oh well, both are the same. Email, I will change this to custom, and the icon is email. Yeah, in the meantime, my password input field should be ready. Let's try to type something. Does not change, but if we click on show, it is the way around. Yeah, when we click on the show, yeah, the show icon, it should show the icon. Yeah, but if we click it now, it hides our password. Oh no, I think this one is correct. Yeah, I think this one is correct. But for the first time, when we type anything into our password input field, yeah, our text is still visible. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, go to the profile, then I will type my password, and yes, they are visible. So what can we do to remedy this situation? Let's try to find something that can change the type. Yeah, hint not helper is not error, also not. password toggle enabled. Let's try to say yeah, password toggle enabled is true, but I don't think we need to provide this attribute with true. Let's see. Yeah, we don't really need, yeah, because our n icon actually, oh dear, yeah. Let's see if I can undo my changes. Oh, okay, so it's not password toggle enabled then. Okay, what if we change the type of the text input? Yeah, because this is actually a text input edit text. Yeah, in the edit text we have an input type over here. Okay, now I guess we can change it into password. Where are you, password? Text password. Apply. Do the same for the text input edit text for the second text input layout. Do text password. Apply. Now let's see the changes here. Whether or not when we type our text into the password input field, hopefully now our text is not visible. Yeah, or visible for a second, then it will be changed into circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. This is what we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is okay. Yeah, and then if we click on the eye icon, it will be visible. Then if we click again on the eye icon, which should be height icon, yeah, now it transforms back into circles. Okay, yeah, so how that's how you create a password for the text input layout. Yeah, remember to change the n icon, where is it, n icon mode to password toggle, then change the text input edit text type, yeah, input type to text password. That's how you create a password text input field or text input layout. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's all about the text input layout, yeah, or text field. The next component we want to revisit is button. Yeah, I know that we have used a lot of buttons in our previous projects. Yeah, but let's revisit them for the material design component related to the button. Yeah, let's discuss them in the next video.